Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Gratton with Herbalife Nutrition. Do you ever find yourself having those moments when you can't remember where you left your keys, whether or not you're taking your daily vitamins, or even what you just walked into the room looking for? It happens to all of us, and that's why it's important every day to support your brain health with vitamin D. MemoryArmor is a dietary supplement specially formulated with Bacopa, which some studies show supports your short-term memory recall and auditory learning ability and attention. MemoryArmor is also formulated with folate, as well as vitamin B12 to promote normal energy function to help stay alert, vitamin B6 to assist in fatigue reduction to support short-term memory recall and attention, and vitamin D to help keep the brain functioning and healthy. Simply take one capsule every morning to enjoy the focused benefits of MemoryArmor. Order yours today.